How do you go from point zero to the point we are today? How do you go from having virtually nothing to having virtually everything you could possibly want? How do you go from living your worst nightmare, living on the streets, to living your dreams? What did it take?
What a cool opportunity to have the Cuban guy talking to this.
It's a message that inspires our young people to do their best.
At the age of 16, I escaped from Cuba, got to the United States without money in my pocket, without knowing a word of English, without my parents, and I was even homeless for a while. About 3 years later, I went on to college.
And the thing that I like most about the presentation is it's very practical and it resonates with our students.
There is no secret to success. Success is all about doing the little things you already know how to do. Little things like keeping your eyes on the ball.
Our high schoolers were very excited to see him, and our middle schoolers were more than just excited.
Miss, awesome. Hold on.
I like the interactiveness with the students.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Miss. Not bad. That was good.
I saw the kids were really engaged, connected the whole time.
They were all participating.
We were all energized and everybody was engaged.
Awesome.
What I liked about the presentation was its encouragement, motivation.
You could either have your dreams or you could have your excuses. You cannot have both.
And it was an awesome time for kids to see how to take action and make something happen instead of just dream.